What's up, guys? So I'm happy to be here once again. So this is another important video, but it's an update on my $10 challenge. Okay, so the last trade I took was last week. So everything right now, where the account is, everything about that challenge, I will be discussing it right here. Okay, so this is going to be episode 2. Everything about that account. So if you want to if you want to receive the signal and follow me in the $10 challenge, if you want my mentorship and everything, send me a DM. My link is in the bio. Okay, send me a DM. Let's talk. And it's not going to be free, so don't send me message if you know you are looking for freebie stuff like that. No, it's not going to be free. Actually, I'm sorry. So that being said, if this is your first time of coming across the video, subscribe, like, because you are going to become a successful trader if you do. Okay, I can assure you of that. You're going to become a successful trader. So let's go to my computer screen and let me give you the rundown. Okay, guys. I this is Today is Tuesday actually. Today is Tuesday, so let me just show you the update on the accounts. As you can see, the equity I'm floating now is $44, but there are sorry about that. There are things I need to show you. There are things I need to show you that is related to the account. Okay, so if you come to history, I've actually closed. Okay, today is Tuesday. I actually closed two. I open S&P 500 twice and I open Nasdaq twice. I close one. I close one Nasdaq, one S&P 500. I think that was it yesterday or earlier today? I initially closed one, sha. Okay, that was yesterday. Sorry, that should be yesterday. So that's why. So the remaining one S&P 500 and Nasdaq is what you are seeing here. You can see the history. You can see dates. You can see today. So I closed that today. S&P 500. That is one I made $405. The other one $19. All right. So if we go back to last week. Okay, this is last week. So these are the first two trades that I entered that I lost. I told you about it, which gave reason for me to actually enter. I explained everything about these two that I lost, which I know is likely to happen based on my explanation in that video. So if you look at these are the two S&P 500. This is the first one. This is the second one. As you can see there, and you'll see the two Nasdaq entry. These are the trade I took throughout last week. I've closed all of them. Okay, so this is what I gave me $5. The Nasdaq, one of the Nasdaq gave me $80. One of the S&P 500 also gave me $5. Then one of the Nasdaq gave me $19. Those are the entries that I have. But on Saturday during the weekend, I entered this Ethereum trade, and I also lost eight. I lost $8, and that Ethereum trade is something similar to what happened to me when I took these two losses on Nasdaq and S&P 500. Me not waiting for that last retracement. Okay, but I know that if it hits my stop loss, it's going to be the establishment. It's going to result in the establishment of my signal, which I'm supposed to hold on to. So that happens. It hits the stop loss. I wasn't bothered because I was expecting the market to actually retrace to the point. But at the same time, I was hoping it may not get there. So that was why I entered. That was the same thing that happens to me doing S&P and Nasdaq. So I lost $8 out of last week. So, but the trade has given me, Ethereum has given me entry now. So right now, the trade I'm running, check the trade I'm running now. You will see the Ethereum is now running. I'm already floating about $10. Now, Nasdaq, I bought to some extent. Now it has given me sell signal. Remember, I told you, I said, when I'm getting out of a trade, if I'm in a buy trade, before I get out of that trade, it means the trade should be giving me a sell signal which means that I'm getting out of that buy trade, I will be considering selling down. So as you can see now, I'm selling Nasdaq. So let me just take you to my computer screen as to show you all this chart analysis and everything. Okay. So right now our profit is sitting at 45. I believe before this week runs out, we should close above $50 or so. So by next week, we should be considering taking it to $100. So yeah, so let's continue. So let me just take you to my computer screen and I'll show you the chart analysis and everything that encourage all this trade. So what's up, guys? We're on my computer screen, so let's just get right into it. Okay. So in our first entry, I told you, I believe you are all aware, when I took Nasdaq. Okay, I've actually analyzed my entry for this in the first episode of this $10 challenge. I explained how I enter this, and the same way I enter S&P 500. Let me show you S&P 500. S&P 500 here too. So, but now, if you look at, let me show you Nasdaq. Based on my current entry now, I'm actually trying to sell this too. I'm actually trying to sell Nasdaq right now. So, why am I selling Nasdaq? Okay, the reason I'm selling Nasdaq is because most of the time when you see your double tops like this, double tops, um, you want to be sure that there is going to be some kind of reverse, but in this case it's going to be a minor reverse, maybe to this point. Okay, maybe to this Fibonacci retracement, for you to have that Fibonacci retracement. Let me try. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know why this whole thing is skipping. Let me do it again. Remove this. Okay, so this kind of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so maybe market is likely to retrace to this golden zone of 50% Fibonacci before it starts its upward movement. So that is likely to happen. And as a matter of fact, what is actually going on is the fact that what is actually going on is that right now I believe traders, I'm talking about institutional traders, I'm not talking about the YouTube traders, or all these big traders. I think all of them are sitting back now because of the interest rate cuts. I think they are trying to watch what the market is going to do, what Fed is going to do regarding the Fed rate cuts. Maybe they are going to cut rate by 50 basis points or 25 basis points or whatever. So they want to be sure, but the bottom line is either it is by 50% or by 20% cutting of interest rates. What is the effect on the economy? That is the most important thing as far as I'm concerned, not based on basis points or whatever. The fact that they are cutting it, what is it going to do? What effect is it going to? So that is my major focus. So, and considering that, I feel that the market might actually go a little bit down as a result. So and right now, I can see that technically, after this impulsive move to the upside, after this impulsive move to this up here, I can see that traders might likely be trying to short this market, or the market itself might be trying to reverse a little bit here. So that is why I'm taking this short trade. And technically, looking at the whole thing, because what I've just explained is fundamental, but technically, I'm seeing my double bottom with my RSI. I don't know why my RSI is not loading, but with my momentum indicator, I confirm that there is a momentum to the downside from here. So I might eventually lose this trade, but if that should be the case, let's say for example, the market stop. Let's say the market just keep ranging between this place. Let's say it moves up, come down, moves up, come down. What I will just be looking out for is I will check this place and check my RSI. If my RSI is moving to the upside, like if my RSI is moving to the upside, okay, what I will do is that I will get out of this trade. I don't mind if it is in loss. I will get out of the trade. So when I get out of the trade, I will be looking to enter around this zone and place my stop loss here, and then be planning to hold this trade to the upside. But if I keep seeing that momentum to the downside, just as it is right now, because I'm seeing the momentum from this two top now, I'm already seeing momentum to the downside like this. I don't know why my RSI is not opening. Let me see again. I don't know what is happening. I don't want to reload. Just so now that I'm seeing the momentum to the downside, if that momentum keep going to the downside, keep going down, I will continue to hold this position until I see that there is another divergence to the upside here. Then I want to get out of the trade and then consider taking this trade, because I would prefer buying this market than selling the market. Okay, so that is just the final thing. But right now, I've opened two position on Nasdaq. Okay, and RSI on S&P 500. I can see S&P 500 is trying to make the second leg pull, as you can see.
It has come down now. I feel it's trying to pull back to the upside before finally getting down. If that happens, I will also be taking a short position here and expect to hold the market to this downside. Okay, that is what I will be doing on my $10 challenge, and mostly even my main account, because as I'm taking this trade on my $10 challenge, I'm taking most of them on my main account as well. So that is what I'm actually hoping for. That is what I'm looking out for now. Today is Wednesday, so let's see what happen. And this trade that I'm in now, this Nasdaq and S&P trade that I'm talking about, I don't know. I hold trade for long. You can see this one. I entered this trade. I think it was not on Tuesday last week. So I just closed it. I just closed them Wednesday this week. I just closed. Sorry, I closed them yesterday on Tuesday. So that is almost 1 week. Okay, that is 1 week. So for 1 week. So if not for the fact that it's a $10 account and I have to, or anyway, sometimes I hold trade for more than 1 week, like 2 weeks or so. Okay, this is an evidence. When I told people I took this trade and I hold it for days, for weeks, they thought I was joking. What's the difference between this and this right now? So that's an evidence. Okay, so that being said, right now I am also buying Ethereum. This trade is giving me concern a little bit, but so I bought Ethereum here. It moved to this up here. Now it has retraced down a little bit, but nevertheless, I will keep holding Ethereum, because I believe this September, late September to early October, there is always BTC run. The reason is because when there is Bitcoin halving, 150 to, I think, 4 months after, about 4 months after Bitcoin halving, there is always Bitcoin bullish run. And right now, the last Bitcoin BTC halving, I think this September or early October will make it about 4 months now for us to start having that a BTC run, that bullish run. So which means that around this time, this month now, or early this month or early October, this market will continue to, this market is like, BTC is likely to go up. And when BTC is having that rally to the upside, most of these altcoins tends to follow one way or the other. So yeah, so today is what's today's date? Let me confirm. Today is 18. So today is 18. So we are getting close to that. And technically, I'm already seeing that on the board. If you check Ethereum now, you will see a double top on daily time frame. Double top. This is the first top. This is the second top. But then we have this another push to the downside. This push here, right, so which form the second top, second bottom, but then the market move up and then come again to form something that looks another double top, another double bottom here again. This leg now form another double bottom again, and that is what I saw. 4 hour, it's very clear that gave me this entry. Even if the top is not really equal, okay, at least it's supposed to come here. It's supposed to retrace to this point, but it wasn't. So I just enter here and put my stop loss below here, okay, but then the market started reversing from here. Okay, so I hope that I just hope that if the market might, I may experience some minor drawdown. It may get to this point before starting continue, but I know that market will definitely play around here till that bullish run starts. So but already I believe the whole thing is already showing on your technical line. So Ethereum on a long term, I will be holding it. So let me just see what will happen. Okay, so I'm in Ethereum right now. So on our $10 account and even on my main account. So let's just hope for that. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so that is the second trade. Okay, I'm in Ethereum and Nasdaq. So S&P is another trade that I want to enter, and I've already shown you why. So other trades or other assets that I'm looking into, okay, are Euro USD and GBP USD. So starting with Euro USD, okay. Oh, I think what I'm even waiting for has already started. This is what I'm actually waiting for, because I can only enter one actually. I don't like entering them at the same time. I always like to enter one. Okay, so okay, let's see what will happen. After this candle closes, I want to see how the candle close, and I want to see I kind of read some kind of red candle before I enter this market. So let's just hope and see what will happen thereafter. Okay. Okay. So that is what I want to show you. So these are the two major candles. These are the two major entries that I'm waiting for. These are the two trades that I'll be looking at for now. So I will see you in my next. I will see you in my next video. So enjoy and God bless. Meanwhile, hold on, sorry. Let me show you before you go. Let me show you the entry. Okay, let me show you the entry so that it won't appear as if this thing. So let's go to my screen, my phone screen, so that I can show you the entry for the Euro USD. So you know that okay, I'm not hiding anything.